Good morning, everyone, to the invited guests and investor who attend this meeting today. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Reja Umami, and I'm the Director of Marketing and Operation of Volkswagen Group, and my responsible for managing a company's overall operation, especially in the marketing and operation of this company. My duties include delegating and directing today's meeting agenda, driving profitability, managing company marketing and production, sales strategy, and communicating with the board of directors and investors. First of all, I'll thank you for the invitation. I will continue by explaining about the Volkswagen Group to complete the question that I will answer after the presentation. Okay, let me start by giving you some background and information about Volkswagen Group. Volkswagen was founded in 1937 when its procedure the Beetle. The company thrived in the 1950s and 1960s. The company is divided into two main business, namely automotive and financial services, with a total of 340 companies. Volkswagen Group is a public company and is listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange and is included in the DAX index. It is also listed on the London Stock Exchange, Luxembourg Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, and Swiss SIX Stock Exchange. As of September 2012, the government of Lower Saxony held a 12.7% stake in the company, so they have 20% of the voting rights. The Volkswagen Group is headquartered in Wolfsburg, Lower Saxony in Germany. The company operates in 115 countries and operates 100 production facilities in 27 countries. Volkswagen has factories in many countries of the world, both production and assembly plants for the local market. Volkswagen factories are located in Germany, Slovakia, China, India, Indonesia, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, Portugal, Spain, Poland, Mexico, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and South Africa. And Volkswagen also has a new factory in the United States. And what about the objective and goal of this Volkswagen's company? We at the Volkswagen Group have set ourselves the goal of counting to excite our customers in future and meeting their diverse need with an appealing product portfolio of impressive vehicle and forward-looking tailor-made mobility solution. At the same time, our core product will become more emotive and offer a completely new driving experience. In this way, the car can continue to be a cornerstone of a sustainable, individual, and affordable mobility in the future. In addition, we are committed to the Paris Agreement on climate protection and are one of the first companies in our industry to commit ourselves to the zero emission target by 2050 at latest. And the car and individual mobility have a bright future with its innovative brands and state-of-the-art technology platforms. Volkswagen is preparing to play a leading role in the new mobility world. With its new auto strategy, the Volkswagen Group is is rigorously realigning itself and building up the new competencies this requires. In addition to software development and the capability for autonomous driving, this is also applies to areas such as battery technology, battery recycling, charging infrastructure, and mobility services. With global revenues from mobility expected to double by 2030, the prospects are promising. Volkswagen will boost this potential via its strong brands, based on superior technology platforms, primarily in Europe, the USA, and China. And the company design, manufacture, and distributed passengers and commercial vehicle, motorcycle, engines, and as well as financial service, financing, and fleet management. The Volkswagen Group has managed to maintain the largest market share in Europe for more than 2 decades. In 2013, they were ranked ninth on the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's largest companies. And I hope we can cooperate well and create a comfortable, mutually beneficial business environment and have a good market prospect. Thank you for your attention. Now I'm happy to answer any question you may have.